Hi everyone, welcome back to CoderReborn. Today, we'll do two things. First, a quick tour of Android Studio. Then, we'll create your first app and run it on an emulator or a real phone. Part 1. Create a new project. Open Android Studio. On the welcome screen, click New Project. Choose Empty Views Activity. At the top, you see there's one saying Empty Activity. It's for Kotlin. We won't select it. Since we want to code in Java, we will select Empty Views Activity. And then from here, click Next. Now, fill these fields. App name. Here, you should give your app a name. For us, we're creating an app named Hello World. So let's give it the name Hello World. Package name. Here, you can see the package name is com.example.myapplication by default. Here, you should give your brand or your company name. And make sure don't copy other brand or company name. Give your own. So for now, let's name it com.newcoder.helloworld. Save location. Leave the default, or pick your folder. Language. Select Java, not Kotlin. Minimum SDK. API 21, Android 5.0, Lollipop or higher is a safe choice. If you select minimum API 24, then the user who's using less than 24 API won't be able to install the app. So choose as per your need. For now, let's pick API 24, which is Android 7.0. And for build configuration language, you can see it's Kotlin. We need to change it to Groovy. Now, click Finish. Android Studio will create the project. It may take a minute the first time. As you can see, it says Importing Gradle Project. So wait for it to finish import. Now, before moving to the next step, I want you guys to change the theme as mine so it will be easier for you guys to follow my instructions. So, in order to change it, click here. Then click Settings. And then here you can see Appearance. And here you can see Theme. Mine is selected as High Contrast. You guys select the same and click OK to save it. Now, let's get back to our lesson. Part 2. Quick tour of the workspace. Let's explore the most important parts. On the left, in the Project panel, expand App. You'll see 3 key sections: Manifests, Java, Res. Manifests contains Android manifest.xml. This file describes your app's basic info and permissions. We won't discuss so deep because we will learn more about it throughout the course when time comes as we keep building our app. Java Ask contains your code files. Open mainActivity.java. This is the entry point for your screen's logic. Res contains resources, layouts, images, colors, and strings. Open ResLayoutActivity main.xml. This file controls how the screen looks. At the top of activity main.xml, you can switch between design and code. Design view is visual. You can drag and drop. Code view is XML, where you edit the layout using code. Both change the same layout. Part 3. Run on emulator or a real phone. You have 2 ways to test your app. Option A. Emulator. At the right toolbar, Device Manager * icon. You can see I already have a few devices already created. In order to create a new device, click this plus icon and then Create Virtual Device. Pick a phone model, like Pixel 5, or any you want. Let's pick this one, Medium Phone. Choose a system image, for example Android 16 and so on. We will download Android 10. Click Finish. After it's done, now back to Device Manager, select your virtual device. Now press the Run button. The emulator will start and open your app. As you can see, the virtual device started. Now we need to install our app in the device. In order to do that, look at the top bar. From here, you can see our virtual device is selected. If you have more device, you can change it from here. For now, let's run the app in our device. From here, click this play button, and it will start building the Gradle file. And once it's done, your app will be installed in the virtual device. When the app launches, you'll see a text view that says, Hello World. That's the default layout in activity.main.xml. Great job! You created a new project, learned the project structure, saw the layout editor and the code view, and ran your first app on an emulator. In the next class, we'll go deeper into layouts and start building simple screens the right way. If this helped you, subscribe and continue with me step by step. See you in the next lesson.